We finally got the combine fixed, so now we're about to move over back on our field. As you can hear, it's very loud, but we finally got this thing fixed. What's up, guys? It's a week later now. It's been a while because the combine engine fan broke, but we're back at it. And now we're on our decent wheat. It's not our best wheat, but it's good wheat for our dirty or non-clean wheat. As you can see, it's not going to make that much hay, but it'll still do good for wheat. As you can see, we still have a lot to do all the way over there. I know I need to clean the window, but I can't reach it, so it's kind of pointless of cleaning it if it's going to get dirty right now. We'll wait till after harvest to clean it. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's a plane flying off over there, like through those power lines over there. Anyways, so there's an airport over there that way, and we actually cut hay at that airport. It used to be about 200 acres, but now it's about 100 acres because they made a new runway. Maybe next video or a few videos from now, I should be doing hay at the airport, and you'll get to see that. Looks pretty cool. What's really cool is when we cut the hay at the airport, we get to go by the runway, and we have to turn our hazards and our beacon. We have to turn on that thing right there. The beacon, we have to turn them on by the runway, which is pretty cool. Look at that plane take off. I don't know if you saw it. We don't really have that long until we finish this field. It looks like the combine's filling up. It's getting up there on the window finally. And we've only done a few acres, so that's good. It says we're 3/4 full. Perfect timing. We just finished the field. We'll move on to that 60-acre field over there. Before we start the field, I'm going to go ahead and unload the hopper so that I start off with the empty load. We're getting close to the grain cart, so we're going to unload our auger. You see it in the mirror. We'll unload it real quick. I'll hit my button and then I'll start unloading. Look at it come down, starting to unload. We're shutting down early today because it's 110 degrees and 118 heat index, and then also there's a chance of rain tonight, which is amazing because we haven't had rain in 2 months, so that would be amazing. That'll be the end of the video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys later. Bye.